Okay, students, today we're going to see the another problem on lamina. So, a rectangular plate 15 to 20 mm has one of its shorter edges in HP, and surface of the plane makes an angle of 45 degree to the HP, and resting edges makes an angle of 30 degree to the VP. Draw the projections. So, first of all, listen here. So, there are so many probability to draw if you carry out the problem. So, first of all, we have to draw the reference line, whether we have to draw the rectangle like this or below or above. After that, whether like this is the two chances majorly we can able to draw the rectangle lamina. So this is a problem 1, 2, and then 3, and this is a 4. So initially, if you see here, the surface of the plane makes an angle of 40 degree to the HP. That is the first trump card to proceed the problem. Surface is inclined at HP. So definitely probability of 1 and 3 is not possible. So we have to left out the 1 and 3. And there are chances of 2 and 4. Which is the rightest one means here. If you see here, one of the shorter edges is resting on HP. So definitely if you see here, this is a shorter edges and this is a longer edges. But as per the condition, it is a shorter edges. So the probability 2 is the right one as per the condition. So we have to see that what is the condition first of all. So once or twice read the question properly whether it is resting on shorter edges or longer edges and like this. So first of all draw the reference line and then we have to draw the rectangle lamina. Again, I'm saying that it is a shorter edges only we are keeping like this. After this, and we have to go with the this is a top view of the diagram, and then we have to go with the front view. This look like a one thin line, and while seeing from here, B is visible, C is visible, A is invisible, and D is invisible. After that, surface that is the third. First one is simple question. Second one is called as a surface inclination, so that we have to make as a 45 degree to the HP. Measure the length of B to C, that is we know that 50 mm. So for the 50 mm we have to draw the line, and then we have to incline give the line a perpendicular line. After that we have to horizontal, both horizontal and vertical will meet together. For example, if we take the D point, vertical lines D here and horizontal D here, both are will meet together. That point is noted as a D. Same like this, A from our vertical line is A and horizontal A. This is called as A. After this, we have to mark down the points and we have to draw the lines. So finally, after that, read the question. Which edge is resting? The resting edges make an angle of 30 degree. So see here clearly that edge is resting edge is called as B and A. So that shorter edge is going to incline 30 degree to the BP. Okay, so inclination. So next, so we are making as a 30 degree inclined. After that we have to mark the A and B1, A1 and B1 in the inclination of 30 degree angle. So that is we are making here, see that clearly. So we make and then whatever dimension from there, so that we are marking there. That is we are making as a A2 and B2 and C2 and D2. After that we are extending the vertical projections from each point, totally 4 points, and then horizontally we are here, we have the diagram, so that we have to extend the vertical projections, and then horizontal projections we are extending from the our edge inclination. So here also if we see that C here and C here, we will get C here, and then D from the horizontal and D from the vertical we get D and A. Finally if we notice that join all the points as per the alphabetic letters, then you get one rectangle lamina like parallelogram. See that whether the condition is satisfied or not. What is that? Shorter edges resting on HP. While seeing from the top view, that is a front view, the shorter edges is resting on HP. Okay, and it's this is the final front view, and this is your final top view. Okay, so like this we have to draw that. So this is the simplest way to draw. So you should remember that where the surface is inclined, where the whether it is resting on longer edges or shorter edges as per the given condition in the problem. So read the question once or twice and then proceed. In next section we discussed some other pentagon lamina and one of the 30 and 60 degree set square problem like that we discussed. Thank you.